How to fix Boo Dating app not working. In this video, I will show you how to fix Boo Dating app not working. The first step is to open the App Store or Play Store, depending on the device you are using, because the tutorial is the same for both Android and iOS. After that, tap on the search icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Next, go ahead and tap on the search bar and search for the Boo app just like I'm doing here. Next, check if the app needs to be updated and make sure you do so. You can know this because the app will have an update text here. If this does not work, then exit this window and open the Settings app. This is the Settings page where you will see several options that you can use to make changes to your phone. From there, scroll down. Continue scrolling down and look for an option named General. Here it is, tap on it. Once you are on the General page, you will see these different options. From the options, tap on this one named iPhone Storage. Please wait for the page to finish loading. Finally, you will see a list of the apps installed on your phone. Scroll through the apps. After that, tap on this option here to reveal the remaining apps. Continue scrolling until you find the app. When you find it, tap on it, just like you can see me doing. You will land on this app info page. On the page, there are two options. From the options, tap on this one, named Offload App. This menu will appear from the bottom, as you can see from here. After that, go ahead and tap here to confirm your action. This will clear the cache for the app without deleting any important data. Next, tap on Reinstall so that the app can be installed on your device and hopefully the issue gets fixed. If after that the problem is not fixed, you will need to fully uninstall the app. To do that, tap here, Delete. After that, this menu appears where you are required to confirm your action. Finally, the app will be deleted from your device. After that, go ahead and open the App Store. Next, search for the Boo Dating app and install the app again. This time, a new version of the app will be installed from scratch, and that will hopefully fix the issue. That is how to fix Boo Dating app not working.